Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to bring you into a quick plan with me for Valentine's Day. I will be using the photo printer, this glue tape, our brand new Valentine's Day PT tape that's available on my shop, and then brand new seasonal sticker book, my rainbow collection book, and this journal I pick up from Amazon, and some scrapbooking paper. So I'm so excited to create my very first Valentine's Day journal spread with you. So let's go. The reason I'm creating this spread is that I want to document what we will be doing on Valentine's Day. And then just set this page up so I can fill in my sweet memory with my husband and my son. Yes, I do believe he's my little Valentine. He's only 3.5. So first, I have my journal open. This is going to be my spread. What I like to do first is I brought this scrapbooking pad from Michael's long time ago. Probably 5-6 years ago, and I haven't been using it, but I just love all this different, like, especially for this Valentine's Day, I'm going to use this red and purple. It's very Valentine's Day vibe, gave me that vibe. So I like to put a background for my journal. I see a lot of amazing scrapbookers do is just tear the paper like this. I usually do 2. Doesn't matter, maybe I'll go through this side. I'll go from here, maybe a little smaller. I'll do a smaller one and a bigger one to just glue it. This one too. Actually, I'm gonna trim this part. I'm going to put this one over here to have a beautiful base. And then I'll put this one usually on the diagonal side. And don't worry about the corner, because I have the corner puncher. I can like punch the corner, become round. So okay, I got my baseline set up. Next one, I like to use my rainbow collection functional sticker book. In this book, you get all kinds of rainbow color boxes in different sizes. So you basically have rainbow color plus the silver, gold, and black. So I love you this super functional book. So I like first to start with the boxes, then I will add the decorative sticker on top. I would like different variety of boxes too. So on picture over here, I will be writing. Over here, I will be writing our memories. And then I like some smaller boxes. I will be using the pink one. I'll be using the pink square one and the light pink, the even tinier one. I'll be doing over here. I think that's for my other memories, just setting up over here. So I have my boxes ready. Depends, if you want to write a lot, you may need more boxes, but if mainly is for decoration and make you feel happy and loved, then you can put less boxes, but more those decorative stickers. Okay, I printed a photo of me, my husband, and my son when we were in Vienna for Christmas. I'll let it settle down over here, and then we'll continue decorate. I am going to use my brand new Valentine's Day PT tapes, pre-cut and matte velvet finish. I love my pre-cut PT tapes too much probably. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to use those to decorate the sides of my journal. I'm going to use those PT tapes to decorate the four sides of my journal. First, I like to lay the big sticker first. Love this heart-shaped roses, so cute. I'm gonna put them here. Love this luggage. Feels like love is a journey. So I love those luggages. Then I'm gonna put it here, right underneath my box. I'm going to add some big floral. Like right now, I wasn't worried about the middle. I'm just make sure that the size of the journal looks good. Love those big roses also. Let's put it next to the luggage. What else I could use? There's another one. I'm also going to use this greenhouse. Over here also. And then another rose. Then I have a beautiful bottom. And then on the top, I would like something smaller. Love this cute heart banner. I'm going to use this one. I like to make a cluster of small stickers around my boxes, so that's what I'm going to do. Love this little cutie bear. Going to put on in the front of this box. Also love the little balloon. Put it here. And then a word, love. I feel like I want to put love here. Of this cart, I think it's a cart. I'm going to put it on here. So going to cut the bottom. Then I'll put on here. So this way I have like, I don't know, I just love a beautiful bottom, like lined up. I'm gonna cut the side. Then for me, I feel like I want to, this picture is not perfect because I see a lot of line, probably something wrong with my printer. But I want to trim down the top a little more. Love it here. So I will just peel this. That will be adding it here. In my brand new seasonal whimsical season, I do have a portion over here that's feature Valentine's Day as well. And I love this quote, love is in the air. Love this quote. So I'll be adding this quote under here because over here I can write stuff. But I want to add this quote here. Love is in the air. It's a little quirky. And then I will be using this girl, fashion girl. I'll be using her on top of here. So that way I feel my box is surrounded by element. So that's how I do my layer. And then I just need the last step is I will be adding some more tiny stickers to make sure like balance the page. So for example, this little ball is this little bow. It's very cute. I can use as a, I can put it here. Love this love letter. I can put it here. And I personally feel over here is kind of light. I'll be writing here. I will be writing here. But I feel here is a little light. So I need another like small cluster to balance out. So I'll be adding this love. Actually, let me think. Love this bouquet. So I'll be using this bouquet right here. So it's kind of like the bow tied back to the bow. Then I will be using this love right under here. That's how I feel like it's connect and it's flow. The last thing I will do is just add some tiny sticker to fill in the page. That's the convenience about my PT tape is they are all pre-cut. You can just peel and use it. You don't have to spend tons of time to cut them. So I also want this rose. I want this rose over here. I'm going to cut it. And then feel like the rose is poke out from the page. And then if I may say, I may feel like this printer is have some problem. We don't look like that normally. I may add this cupcake. Yeah. So in a way that I feel like I can break this page is to add this cupcake. Then I'll add this hot chocolate, I guess, or coffee. Want it be like here. The last tiny thing, maybe what I will do is to see if I have some red dots. I do have some like dark red dots in my seasonal. Yeah. So what I will do is I will take those darker dots to add some sprinkle in. Here. You know, next project I was thinking is I can have a whole book of just dots, different size of dots, different color of dots. Then I will do one more book here. That way I feel it's balanced. Is a quick journal with me, plan with me of my Valentine's Day spread. I hope you like it. Ignore the printer, but love those PT tapes and my seasonal sticker book. If you want to check them out, you can find it in my shop, hello@shoproom.com. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.